I used to think that I needed proper gym equipment before I could start working out. Pero na-realize ko na pwede kong gamitin kung anong meron sa bahay, just like our DIY weights at home. So I stopped waiting for the perfect time and just started. It's all about the power of starting now. Nung sinimulan ko ang pag-workout, na-realize ko na hindi ko kailangan ng perfect equipment para magsimula. Just like I don't need to finish an entire book in one sitting to learn something. So for me, using DIY exercise materials is just like setting up my own home office. Well, yeah, hindi ko alam kung matatawag ko na ba siya as home office. But yeah, basically, this is where I do my work. This is the place where I usually do my home-based job. And dito rin ako nag-edit. So, that means this is also my YouTube studio. This is also the place where I study, where I read, and everything. And kapag pagod na, higa na lang, guys. Ayan. As you notice, I don't have a big space or fancy desk, but I realized I could start working from home with just a small corner and the basics I already have, my laptop and headset. Just like I can work out with simple items at home, I can start my home-based work without waiting for the perfect setup. Taking action with what I have, no matter how small, is what really helps make me progress. So, yeah, ikaw, kapag gusto mong mag-work from home and gusto mong gumawa ng home office, pero nag-aalanganin ka dahil sa maliit yung espasyo mo at hindi perfect. Well, you don't need a fancy office to start. Even a small corner, a simple table, or a quiet spot can be enough to get you going. The key is to start now. Kaysa hintayin mo pa yung perfect timing, kaysa hintayin mo pa yung perfect setup, baka hindi ka na makapag-umpisa niyan. Maging creative ka lang, organize it, or make your space more comfortable to focus. And yeah, yan pala yung project ko for today, guys. Maghahanap ako ng table kasi naman yung table ko is sira-sira na. So, come, let's go outdoors and let's look for a table.
Driving down these dusty roads underneath the Texas sky so bold. Pickup truck and my old guitar strumming tunes neath the evening star. Back roads and sunsets, whiskey in my hand, guitar strings and country dreams in this southern land. Fields of gold and corn so high.
Finally, guys, natagpuan ko na yung table na hinahanap ko. Ayan. So, in-open lang siya. Check lang. So, okay guys, it's time for refreshment muna tayo kasi mainit sa labas and napaka-perfect talaga itong halo-halo dito sa Halo Halo PH, the ultimate in creamy cheesy goodness. Is what you get talaga, guys. Yung color na nakita nyo, yan talaga din ang exact color na makikita nyo kapag sa real one. And napakadaming sago na. So may gulaman, may beans, may coconut cream, and of course yung ice cream. So, yan. So, kung taga Zamboanga City kayo, well, visit nyo na ang Halo Halo PH. Dito lang yan sa Mayor Halbon Street, malapit sa Novo. Alright?
So, syempre guys, kasi malayo pa yung location ko. So, i-enjoy ko na muna to halo-halo ko. So, see you at home guys. Bye! Alright, so guys, there you have it. Nakapagpalit na rin ako ng damit and eto na siya. So, because of this manual guys, it was so easy to assemble and I love it because it's so sturdy and meron din siyang second, anong tawag dito? Basta may second na table siya kung saan lagay yung keyboard. Yeah, and I love the color. So guys, you don't need to have a big office to start your home office. So with the simple gadgets and of course the simple equipment that you have, you can start it now.
You don't need a big office, expensive tools, or ideal conditions to begin. What truly matters is the willingness to start with what's available. Taking a small approach is perfectly reflects the power of starting now.